Welcome to MLJ, and in this video I'm going to provide you the self-study roadmap for your machine learning journey from scratch. For machine learning roadmap, I categorize it into 4 steps where in each step you will be leveling up yourself in your machine learning journey. In step 1, you should be taking courses about Python and mathematics. For Python, I can recommend Python for Everybody Specialization by the University of Michigan. This specialization is literally for everyone, as its name suggests. You can take this course even if you have never programmed, or even if you are an experienced programmer in other languages like Java, C++, etc. For mathematics, you should be familiar with statistics, linear algebra, and multivariate calculus. You might be like, who the hell wants to study maths? I can do machine learning without maths. Yes, you could do that, but don't do it. It's not worth it. For a maths course, I suggest you to take Mathematics for Machine Learning by Imperial College London. Maths will be hard if you don't have the correct foundation. Before you start with the first course, that is Mathematics for Machine Learning Linear Algebra, I suggest you to look at Khan Academy's Statistics and Probability, 3 Blue 1 Brown's Essence of Linear Algebra, and Khan Academy's Linear Algebra. Before you start the second course, that is Multivariate Calculus, you need to know what multivariate calculus is. For the foundation courses of multivariate calculus, I suggest you to look at Essence of Calculus by 3 Blue 1 Brown first, and then look at Khan Academy's Multivariate Calculus. Now, for the third course, I suggest you to look at NumPy, because this course requires the basic knowledge in Python programming and NumPy. For NumPy, I suggest you to look at FreeCodeCamp's Python NumPy tutorial for beginners. I also suggest you to look at Jeffrey Chasnov's channel. Maths can get hard, and if you are stuck in any part, you can always ask questions in math.stackexchange.com or even in Reddit's Learn Machine Learning subreddit. With the completion of Python and maths, you are ready for step 2, and in step 2, we'll start some machine learning algorithms. For machine learning algorithms, I suggest you to take Machine Learning by Stanford University, taught by Andrew Young. This course was made in 2011, but to this date, this course is still relevant, and I can assure you that you'll love this course, and of course you'll love Andrew. After the machine learning course by Andrew, you can take deep learning specialization by deeplearning.ai, and again taught by Andrew Young. This course teaches you a lot about the hot topics of AI, and I can again assure you that you'll learn a lot from this course as well. With the completion of step 1 and step 2, you are ready for step 3. In step 3, we will be looking at what you have learned from step 1 and step 2, and we will be practicing each of those. The first course I want you to look at is Applied Data Science with Python Specialization by the University of Michigan. This course teaches you the practical skill you need in your machine learning journey from Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and etc. And lastly, I suggest you to read the book Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. In the final step, I suggest you to start your own project. I also suggest you to take part in Kaggle competitions. With the completion of all 3 steps, you should be ready to take Internship too. There are lots of great courses for machine learning, like from edX, Udemy, Udacity, but why I chose Coursera is because you can take the courses for free and get certificates as proof, whereas from other platforms they offer you free courses but don't give you the certificates. Certificates don't matter if you don't apply the knowledge you gain from getting the certificates. And I also think that all the hard work you put in learning machine learning, you deserve the certificates. Think certificates as a reward for your hard work. I will also be posting courses links from other platforms like edX, Udemy, and Udacity in the description below, so do check them out too. Lastly, what I want to say is that you might be tempted to stop your machine learning roadmap because of something you didn't understand. We all are in that stage. Don't stop, ask a lot of questions, don't give up, keep learning, and good luck.